From robots that serve drinks and clean restrooms to machines that build cars, deliver packages, and even show emotions, the future is happening right now. A new China's mega factory worth $100 billion is pushing this revolution even further, leaving global rivals stunned. Get ready to witness the rise of intelligent machines taking over tasks with speed, precision, and a touch of personality. You won't believe what they can do. The Chinese company Pudu Robotics has developed a semi-humanoid robot named Flashbot Arm, designed for deployment in hotels, offices, restaurants, retail stores, and healthcare facilities. This robot is equipped with a high-precision manipulator that allows it to deliver items, interact with customers, clean spaces, and even disinfect surfaces. Flashbot Arm can safely move between floors using elevators, recognize obstacles, and adapt to its surroundings, thanks to artificial intelligence. The robot is equipped with 2 manipulators with 7 degrees of freedom and a reach of up to 2 meters. It can deliver food and drinks, handle documents, greet visitors, assist with navigation, and answer questions. Users can interact with the robot through voice commands, gestures, and facial expressions. The Chinese enterprise Kenan Robotics has unveiled its latest humanoid robot, X-Man R1, engineered to operate within the hospitality sector, encompassing hotels, eateries, retail outlets, and various communal areas. X-Man R1 is adept at delivering meals and beverages, functioning as a server in dining establishments, and aiding personnel in guest services. Beyond these roles, it undertakes tasks such as waste disposal and restroom sanitation, contributing to the upkeep of public spaces. Equipped with integrated sensors and navigation systems, X-Man R1 can traverse indoor environments securely, circumventing obstacles. It assists patrons by responding to inquiries and directing them to their destinations. Additionally, it is capable of pouring drinks and executing other service-related duties, thereby enhancing the overall customer experience. X-Man R1 also features facial recognition capabilities, comprehends verbal instructions, and adjusts to its surroundings. Chinese engineers from Leju Robotics have followed their American counterparts by releasing a video showcasing the integration of their latest humanoid robot, Ku, at the Fao-Hongqi facility, a well-known Chinese automobile manufacturer. Ku is a full-size humanoid robot designed to perform tasks in various fields, including industrial manufacturing, commercial services, and scientific research. Its deployment at Fao-Hongqi highlights its practical applicability and effectiveness in real-world production environments. The robot can move across different types of surfaces, adapting to environmental conditions. It is equipped with high-precision manipulators, enabling it to carry out complex tasks, such as assembling components or handling tools. Thanks to built-in artificial intelligence algorithms, Ku can learn new tasks and adapt to changing work conditions. The introduction of Ku at Fao-Hongqi demonstrates the potential of humanoid robots in optimizing manufacturing processes and improving labor efficiency. The American firm Figure AI has released footage demonstrating advancements in integrating its humanoid robot, Figure 02, into BMW's production facilities. The video showcases the robot performing various automotive manufacturing tasks with increased speed and accuracy. Standing approximately 168 centimeters tall and weighing 70 kilograms, Figure 02 is equipped with 5 fingers on each hand, each with 16 degrees of freedom, enabling it to handle objects weighing up to 25 kilograms. It features 6 red, green, blue cameras integrated with a language-based visual perception model, allowing precise navigation and interaction with its environment. A custom artificial intelligence model, developed in partnership with OpenAI, enables the robot to understand and carry out commands in natural language and engage in human conversations. The collaboration between Figure AI and BMW commenced in January 2024, aiming to incorporate humanoid robots into automotive production. By August 2024, Figure 02 was introduced at BMW's Spartanburg, South Carolina plant, successfully executing tasks such as accurately placing metal components into assembly fixtures. Partnerships with companies like BMW underscore the potential of humanoid robots to improve manufacturing efficiency and precision. Westwood Robotics has announced an updated version of its full-size humanoid robot, Themis version 2. integrating cutting-edge technologies and innovative solutions aimed at enhancing human-robot interaction across various fields. The previous model of the robot is capable of walking at a speed comparable to that of a human and reaching a running speed of up to 10 kilometers per hour. Additionally, Themis can perform complex dynamic movements such as parkour, which is a significant achievement in the field of humanoid robotic technologies. Thanks to advanced sensors and control systems, Themis ensures safe interaction with its surroundings and people, which is particularly important for working in shared spaces. Themis is designed to perform a wide range of tasks in industries such as manufacturing, healthcare, and service sectors. Its ability to execute dynamic and precise movements, along with safe human interaction, makes it a promising solution for automating processes that require a high degree of flexibility and adaptability. This human-like robot from China has already been deployed in production facilities, operating within both domestic and international companies, specializing in the manufacturing of battery-powered automobiles. Corporations such as NIO and Volkswagen are actively incorporating robotic systems into their production lines. The Walker S humanoid robots, developed by specialists at UB Tech Robotics, play a key role in quality assurance processes. Their tasks include verifying the functionality of door locking mechanisms, seatbelt systems, and front lighting units, as well as affixing company emblems onto vehicles. This advanced robot is outfitted with 36 high-performance servo-powered motors, which granted exceptional dexterity and accuracy in motion. Additionally, it is equipped with an array of sensory instruments that allow it to perceive its surroundings, identify objects, and interpret both visual and auditory signals. Utilizing an autonomous navigation system called Universal Simultaneous Localization and Mapping, the robot is capable of charting paths, avoiding obstacles, and recognizing human faces, various objects, and complex scenes. The engineers at UB Tech Robotics express confidence in the transformative potential of robotic solutions within the field of battery-powered automobile manufacturing. According to the company's official statements, the future of humanity lies in the harmonious coexistence of humans and robotic assistants. The company Unitree continues its development with the recent demonstration of its latest innovation, the five-fingered manipulator DEX 5. This robotic hand is designed for performing complex tasks requiring high precision and dexterity, closely resembling a human hand. Each finger of the manipulator has multiple active degrees of freedom, providing high mobility and the ability to execute intricate movements. The hand is equipped with numerous tactile sensors that accurately detect force and contact points when interacting with objects, enabling more delicate and precise manipulation. DEX 5 can be integrated with other robotic systems from Unitree, such as the humanoid robots G1 or H1, expanding their functionality. As shown in the demonstration video, the manipulator is expected to find widespread applications in various fields, requiring delicate and precise interaction with the surrounding environment. Boston Dynamics has unveiled a new version of its Atlas robot, shifting from hydraulic models to a fully electric design. This updated Atlas is built for real-world applications, offering enhanced capabilities beyond its predecessors. The most significant change is the fully electric design. The new Atlas is entirely electric, eliminating the hydraulic systems used in earlier versions. This makes it lighter, more compact, and quieter. The new Atlas also features improved strength and flexibility. The electric model provides more power and a broader range of motion, enabling it to perform complex tasks with agility that often exceeds human ability. This includes handling heavy or irregular objects using new gripper technology. Atlas's motion capabilities are another standout feature. Unlike humans, it isn't restricted by typical movement limits. Its limbs, torso, and head rotate a full 360 degrees, allowing for dynamic movements across diverse terrains. Boston Dynamics envisions the new Atlas being used in industrial environments. It's expected to assist with tasks in automotive manufacturing, alongside Hyundai, its parent company. The robot is ideal for dangerous, repetitive, or unpleasant tasks, making it valuable in disaster response and industrial automation. The new Atlas is equipped with advanced sensors and control systems, including LiDAR and stereo vision for real-time perception. These technologies allow it to navigate unstructured environments and adjust its movements accordingly. This version of Atlas demonstrates Boston Dynamics' commitment to pushing the limits of robotics and exploring commercial opportunities beyond research. Disney has introduced a new generation of mobile autonomous robots called BDX droids, which will become part of the enhanced Star Wars Galaxy's Edge attraction at Walt Disney World. These robots are designed to move freely without tracks and have been upgraded to handle the tough conditions of the amusement park, including high humidity and heat. To ensure durability, Disney's engineers replaced the original three-dimensional printed parts with stronger, military-grade materials. The droid's mobility has also been improved, allowing them to travel over uneven surfaces. Each BDX unit weighs around 20 kilograms and features advanced learning systems that allow it to adjust to its surroundings in real time. They can display emotional reactions, such as jumping in excitement when receiving compliments or showing disappointment when leaving the stage. Up next is the Tesla Bot Gen 3, also known as Optimus, an advanced humanoid robot engineered by Tesla. This version is 10 kilograms lighter than its predecessor and operates 30% faster. Its sleeker design includes enhanced balance and full-body coordination, offering improved mobility. The robot's hands have been redesigned with 11 degrees of freedom, enabling it to perform delicate actions like handling an egg without cracking it. Tesla has outfitted the Gen 3 Optimus with state-of-the-art sensors and actuators, delivering precise control and advanced tactile feedback. These upgrades significantly boost its efficiency in completing tasks across diverse environments. The Gen 3 Optimus is primarily tailored for industrial applications, where accuracy and safety are paramount. Tesla envisions producing large quantities of these robots to fulfill demand across various sectors. Elon Musk has stated that Optimus has the potential to impact Tesla's market position more profoundly than its automotive ventures. Tesla's ongoing development of the Optimus robot showcases the company's commitment to reshaping humanoid robotics by merging cutting-edge AI innovations with cost-effectiveness, making these robots attainable for widespread adoption. Let us know in the comments which robot from the video you found most impressive. And if you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more.